Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use a coupon on the Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account in Airbnb, all you need to do is to choose like a hosting that you want to rent or where you want to be a guest. So let's, for example, just choose this listing. And as you can see, now we want to add a coupon. So basically, all you need to do is to reserve like the trip, and then here in the payment method you will be able to enter a coupon, and here you will add the coupon code. And basically after you enter the coupon code, all you need to click is add the coupon. After that you will have your coupon that is applied on the price, and if it has some reduction, you will have your total price that will be reduced in the payment. So basically those are the methods or the ways to use a coupon on the Airbnb platform. Thank you for watching and see you next time.